is very consistent with our message. Even in island council meetings, we speak to the issues that matter to the people. And we also brought those same issues forward with the secretary, the state secretary. So for myself, I brought up an issue that is very near and dear to the people of Saba, and that's poverty, and particularly as it relates to families and children. Because, we believe strongly as an island council and as a government that if people should be able to afford to live on this island and not just be living paycheck to paycheck, that they should have the ability to invest in themselves and their families. Another issue that we spoke about was housing and the scarcity of housing on the island, apartments, but also mortgages, inability of people who are working to get mortgages because the cost of housing is so expensive and salaries are not necessarily at the point where people can apply for mortgages. And an issue that was also discussed was, I know, something that's also been a problem in Bonaire, and that's the housing subsidy scheme for apartment rentals. And on Saba, they also try to propose a measure which would have assign points to a particular housing scheme in terms of either the area it was in, the type of house it was, and we were not necessarily in favor of that. We think a much better way to take care of that problem, or a better solution, is to give vouchers so that people can use that voucher to bring down the price on the private rental market.